In the annals of time and ancient mythology, there are texts that shine with hidden wisdom, revealing truths that challenge our understanding of the world. Among them is the Book of Enoch, an ancient apocryphal text that has captivated knowledge seekers for millennia. But within its pages, many secrets are hidden that can change our lives at incredible levels. In this video, we will delve into the mysterious pages of the Book of Enoch to discover the teachings it contains and how they can transform our lives. We will explore the depths of this ancient work, revealing ancient secrets that offer a unique perspective on human existence and purpose. Stay until the end and prepare to challenge the norms pre-established by the common gospel. The journey toward understanding the Book of Enoch and its transformative teachings is about to begin. Are you ready to delve into the secrets of this ancient text and discover how it can change your life? The Book of Enoch is an apocryphal work found among the Dead Sea Scrolls and other ancient religious writings. It tells the story of Enoch, Noah's great-grandfather, a righteous man who walked with God and was taken to heaven to learn the secrets of the universe and divine revelations. Although it is not part of the biblical canon in most Jewish and Christian traditions, it is considered sacred by some communities, such as the Ethiopian Orthodox Church. The book is made up of several sections that recount visions and revelations received by Enoch, addressing apocalyptic, cosmological, and ethical themes. One of the most fascinating parts of the Book of Enoch is its account of the creation of the universe and Enoch's transformation into a celestial being. According to the book, Enoch was taken to heaven and transformed into an angel named Metatron, who became the heavenly scribe and keeper of divine secrets. In this narrative, the transformation of Enoch into Metatron symbolizes the potential ascension and spiritual purification of the human being. Metatron, as divine intermediary between God and creation, plays crucial roles as celestial scribe and keeper of divine secrets. His figure is central in Jewish mysticism, explored in texts such as the Zohar, and in the practices of the Merkavah and the Hechaloh, where he guides mystics through the different levels of heaven. The story of Enoch Metatron highlights the search for hidden knowledge and the intimate connection between the human and the divine. Engel is a powerful metaphor for spiritual quest and personal transformation, and it reminds us that we all have the potential to rise above our earthly limitations and connect with the divine within. The Book of Enoch also offers vivid visions of heaven, hell, and celestial beings, which fuel the imagination and spark curiosity about the mysteries of the universe and the nature of reality. And the message it conveys is clear: we can elevate our personal relationship with God. A notable story that explains this point is Enoch's ascension to heaven, where he witnesses the wonders of the cosmos and receives divine revelations. This story can be interpreted as an invitation to seek a deeper connection with God through contemplation and spiritual search. And cultivating this relationship for us who receive Enoch's message is no different from building a friendship. It requires time, patience, and dedication. You can start by setting aside time each day for prayer, meditation, or simply being silent and listening to the still voice within you. Talk to God as you would with a close friend. Express your dreams, your desires, and your worries. Share your moments of gratitude and your moments of need. Trust that you're being heard and that your words do not fall on deaf ears. By connecting with the divine, you are connecting with the creative power of the universe, and this can influence how you perceive and experience the world around you. In his encounters with celestial beings, Enoch learns the importance of constant communication with the divine and the need to rely on the guidance and support of the higher on his spiritual journey. For example, during his encounters with celestial beings, Enoch receives revelations and teachings that help him understand the importance of maintaining an ongoing connection with God. These experiences illustrate the idea that spiritual communication is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process in Enoch's spiritual journey. And, by extension, in the life of anyone seeking a deeper relationship with the divine. Furthermore, the fact that Enoch is taken to heaven and transformed into the angel Metatron also underscores the idea that intimate communion with the divine is possible and can lead to profound spiritual transformation. This story suggests that constant communication and trust in divine guidance can lead to significant spiritual elevation, where one can be enabled to fulfill a greater purpose in the divine plan. Therefore, as we delve deeper into the narratives of the Book of Enoch, we find a direct resonance with the message of taking time, patience, and dedication to cultivate a personal relationship with God. These stories inspire us to open ourselves to the infinite possibilities the universe has to offer us, and to trust that we are being guided and supported on our path, even in the darkest and most difficult times. It is not just about asking for material things, but about aligning your will with the divine will and opening yourself to the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer you. It's trusting that you are being guided and supported on your journey, even when things seem difficult or confusing. Imagine that your consciousness is like a flashlight that illuminates your path in the darkness. This flashlight has different settings, from the dimmest to the brightest. According to David R. Hawkins's theory, our levels of consciousness can range from the darkness of guilt to the clarity of enlightenment, with each level affecting our perception of reality and our ability to manifest. At lower levels of consciousness, such as guilt, fear, and shame, our mental flashlight is obscured by negative thoughts and painful emotions. We feel trapped in a cycle of suffering and limitation, and our ability to manifest what we desire in life is hindered by our own limiting beliefs. However, as we ascend to higher levels of consciousness, such as courage, love, and peace, the light of our mental lantern becomes brighter and clearer. We feel more connected to ourselves, to others, and to the universe as a whole. We experience a sense of fluidity and ease in our lives, and our ability to manifest what we desire expands exponentially. The key to raising our levels of consciousness is self-awareness and self-transformation. We need to be aware of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, and be willing to face our shadows and work on them to reach higher levels of light and clarity. This may involve practices such as meditation, introspective reflection, and personal growth work. The metaphor of the lantern that illuminates our path in the darkness finds an echo in the teachings of the Book of Enoch, where Enoch himself is guided through various planes of existence by the light of divinity. Depending on the level of consciousness you are at, your connection with God will be greater or lesser. Your vision of God is like a pair of glasses through which you see the world. These lenses can be clear and full of love, or they can be clouded with fear and judgment. The way you see God not only affects how you relate to the divine, but also how you experience everyday life. If you see God as a loving and compassionate being, you are more likely to experience emotions such as peace, gratitude, and joy in your daily life. You feel connected to the universe and confident that you're being guided and supported on your journey. On the other hand, if you see God as a harsh and punishing judge, you are more likely to experience emotions such as fear, guilt, and anxiety. You feel separated from the divine and constantly worry about doing things correctly to avoid punishment. The good news is that we can change the way we see God, and therefore change our experience of reality. This does not necessarily mean abandoning our religious or spiritual beliefs, but simply opening ourselves to a more loving and expansive understanding of the divine. We can do this by cultivating qualities like compassion, kindness, and acceptance in our daily lives, which will help us overcome the obstacles that the universe has for us. Trust your intuitive guidance. We all have inner wisdom that can guide us in times of uncertainty. Learning to listen to this still voice within us can help us make wiser decisions and navigate life's challenges more easily. It's also important to remember that you are not alone on this journey. Ask for help when you need it, and accept support from those around you. Often, life's challenges can be easier to overcome when we share our burden with others and support each other through difficult times. Finally, keep faith in yourself and your ability to overcome any obstacles that stand in your way. Life may be unpredictable and challenging at times, but it is also full of opportunities to grow, learn, and thrive. This shift in perception can manifest in our daily lives through practices such as compassion, kindness, and acceptance, qualities that Enoch also seeks to cultivate as he advances in his spiritual quest. Furthermore, just as we are advised to trust our intuitive guidance and seek support from others during difficult times, Enoch receives help and guidance from celestial beings on his journey through the spiritual planes. If you follow your intuition, none of these obstacles will be able to stop you. Enoch, like us when we follow our intuition, relies on an inner lighthouse to guide him on his spiritual journey, providing profound and often unexpected guidance. Following intuition can take us down unexpected paths, but it can also lead to surprisingly positive and rewarding results. By following intuition, we are opening the door to a world of unlimited possibilities. We are aligning ourselves with the natural flow of life and trusting that the universe is guiding us in the right direction. Although the results may be unexpected, we can trust that our intuition is always leading us toward our highest well-being and fulfillment. Everything that the Book of Enoch teaches us is nothing more than extremely useful advice, which will help us in our daily lives. Embrace his teachings and everything will change for the better. What do you think about this topic? Did you know the story of Enoch? We read you in comments. If you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to support the channel with your like and subscription. I also invite you to take a look at our other videos. I'm sure that more than one will be to your liking. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.